So in part two, we're going to continue to complete the missing words that came out of the reading that was completed on exploring space. So the first one, we figured out that the amount of words fit and go along with the, it says a space probe may land on a planet. The second one is going to be something that is traveling around Earth. And it has to have the sufficient amount of letters. So let's see if satellite will work. A satellite, and it works. So the next mystery letter is E. That will be for 2. I'm going to put that E on the bottom for that, unknown word that we're trying to find. And then number 3 says astronauts can live on a space. What do we call that where they live? I read this. This is space probes send information back to Earth. Rovers ride around on the surfaces of a planet. Satellites travel around and around or orbit Earth. They are used for communication, navigation, weather forecasting, scientists' research, and even spying. People riding to space on a space shuttle where they do experiments. So let's see if shuttle works. Space and then shuttle, and it fits. So the space shuttle is the number 4. Astronauts can live on a space, and I want to say space shuttle, and the letter is it says number 5 is a U. Let's go ahead and put that here. I skipped one, I think. I need to do number 3. Astronauts can live on a space. Where do they live? Where they do experiments. A space station orbits the Earth. Let's try station. Station. Yep, that works. So the letter then is N for 4. So we have U for 5 and N for 4. And then the next one is number 5. To blank means to travel around a planet. What does it mean to travel around a planet? And we talked about this. It says traveling around and around or orbit. So to orbit means to travel around the planet. And the secret letter is an I. That's for number 6. Okay, I think I already uncovered that secret word just with those letters and, thinking about the topic of this. A blank can ride around on a planet's surface.